Hi guys, once again I'm back with the most important topic and it's all about share market or stock market. Many people are investing in share market and getting profit, but there are a lot of people getting loss. But it's time for normal people to understand what is this, what it is all about. So I'll tell you as a story so that you can understand so easily without no technical terms. Because in order to learn about technical terms, I'll do a different video in future so that you can understand all these technical terms. Okay, so what it is all about. So when I'm starting a company, I just need a 10 lakh rupees to run that business. So in order to run that business, I have nearly 6 lakh with me. But remaining 4 lakh, I just need to get loan or through partner or through share market. So what I'll do is that I'll go to SEBI and register my company. And only when I make my company public, I can just start using all the share. So normal people like others would buy my company's share. By, for example, a company is having a value of 100, people would give that 100 and get that share, and they would be a temporary owner of that particular share. For example, if that company is running smooth, I can even increase that rate. I mean, if it is for 100 rupees, I can make it to 120, just like that, 130, just like that. So in that way, all these big companies are earning money through share market. So whenever we need a money in large, they just involve in this share market. So in India, we have two exchanges, that is National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Likewise, when we buy a book, we just see index first before seeing the chapters. Same way, both exchange has got two indexes. That is, National Stock Exchange has got Nifty 50, that is National 50, and Bombay Stock Exchange has an index called Sensex, which is called Sensitivity Index. So Nifty 50 has got nearly 1,700 companies, which would be related to different sectors, different public sectors. And same way in Bombay Stock Exchange, you have nearly 5,400 companies, which is related to different sectors. So it's not easy to display each and every company's share value, so they would choose nearly 50 companies from Nifty 50, the best performing share values. And same way from Bombay Stock Exchange, you would be seeing top 30 companies from Bombay Stock Exchange using the index of Sensex. Exactly, you would see in the screen is that how the persons are demanding this company to buy the share. So if they are demanding, if demand is high, their price value would be high. So as I said, when I started a company, if I'm starting with 100 rupees, so many people would be buying that company with 100. But when I'm getting into a profit, I may just increase it. So that is called demand. So in that way, profit this particular company would be getting, and with the way of dividend, you would be getting all this share, etc. Okay, so when it is in loss, people just sell it and they just get whatever it is. And in middle, you have brokerage. Without brokers, you can't involve all these things, so you have all this commission, etc., etc. So in order to invest all these things, you have to think a lot. And first of all, in order to start the stock market or share market, you have to first, you must have a bank account, you must have a trading account, you must have a demat account. Only if you have all these things, you can just start to trade. So there is two types of things in the stock market, that is trading is something where a day there is something called, a company is getting a share and he is just selling it out. So you're getting money on the same day, that is called in trading. And investing is something called, you would be investing a money for a company for a long years, more than a period of 1 year, you would get a returns, all these things. Okay, so in this way, you can get money or you can lose money. So it's in your hand, that you must research all these companies value and all this stuffs, etc., and then invest. Next question is that how you can start to play in this stock market. So you have three apps, that is Angel Brokers, Zerodhan or Upstocks. You can just install it from the Play Store or App Store, and then you can fill the KYC format. Only after filling all these things, for example, you have to fill all your bank statements and all your PAN card details, your signature, your photo, etc. Only then you would be getting all these things. And you have to note it for sure that your email ID must be so clear enough so that whatever transaction you do, you would be reaching through all this email, etc. So in this way, first process is on, and you can just wait for 1 year and analyze it, how people are selling it, how they are purchasing it, and then later you can start to transact. And for each charges, they are just charging you 20 rupees per month, just 240 per year. And in such a way, when you are making it out in the right time, you can take money a lot from this stock market if you are smart. If not, you would be listening others words and you would be buying all these things and you would be ending it with losses. So it's my preference is that you yourself must analyze each and everything, because which no one can predict, because each and every day company is getting profit or loss, that would be displayed in this particular stock exchange app, and you, so that you can purchase on basis of different market. Okay, for example, if you're purchasing from medical, next day don't go with again with medical, you must go with other sectors. So if you go with other sectors, you can know about it. So people are people are having a habit to buy on one sector and they just get lost, etc. So if you're buy it with a different mindsets and different analytics, and so that you can get money from that. Okay, so in this way all these rich people are getting richer, and in that way they are going high in life. People of our country are not able to analyze it, because especially people who don't have all this knowledge about all the stock market, people will never become normal. Means that they can enjoy their life. People who are smart, they are just enjoying their life. So not alone smart, you must have even luck too. That is the main factor of the stock market. So these are the basic things where stock market involves. There are a lot of risk in it. That would be like bull, and it will be like beer. If a market is running with a bull, then you can just buy a lot of share from different companies. If a market is running beer, then you have to sell it. So my final point is that share market is a deep ocean. The more you swim, the more you learn. And Arshad Mehta is the biggest example to prove that. He has done a great job, that to make people think that if you are smart enough, you can just win your life smartly. And in order to understand more detailedly, you have a lot of technical terms like futures, call option, put option, and all the candlesticks, etc. A lot of things are involved in the stock market. I don't wish to tell about all these things in this normal video. So if I'm practically exposed with all this profit, etc., I'm damn sure with that Josh, I would do a video with a practical knowledge. Okay, so today this video, I'm purely dedicated to normal people, because normal people must understand that rich people are just getting richer just because of all this share market or all this stock exchange or all this cryptocurrency, etc. Okay, so with that thought, I'm ending this video. Take care, have a nice day.